Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore recurring tasks in Trello after misfires, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore recurring tasks in Trello after misfires, begin by logging into your Trello account. Navigate to the board where the recurring tasks were set up. Locate the list that contains the tasks you want to restore. Identify the task that has misfired or is missing. Click on the task to open its details view. Check the task's due date and any comments or activity logs for a history of changes. If the task is not present, look for any archived items by selecting the Show menu option on the right side of your board. Select More and then click on Archived Items. Review the archived cards for the task you want to restore. If you find the task, click on Send to Board to restore it. Once restored, check the recurrence settings to ensure they are configured correctly. To do this, open the task and look for the recurring task feature, usually indicated by a small calendar icon. Edit the recurrence settings if necessary, adjusting the frequency and due dates. Confirm the changes and close the task details view. Monitor the task for the next cycle to ensure it appears as expected. If issues persist, consider deleting and recreating the recurring task. Make sure to document any specific settings for future reference. Finally, keep a close eye on your tasks for any further discrepancies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.